Hey everyone, it's T-Lore. Today I wanted to talk to you briefly about the maximum gold value you can get out of a single coin in the game. So this brings into discussion of, is a Silver Explorer better or is just a regular Explorer better? I'll let you make that determination, but I wanted to at least provide some math behind it. So I have these two cards here to show that the largest silver coin you can get is a 6 value, and the largest gold coin that you can get is a 7 value. So this Silver Explorer only gives you +1 on the value of the coin. So that's going to come into factor because we're going to look at crew like Powder Pete, that when one of the ship's treasures is unloaded at your home island, you get +1 gold. You can also stack that with someone like Maurice Aristide. I totally messed that up. That says one of the ship's treasures worth +2 gold when unloaded at your home island. So that's a total of +3. And there are also unique treasures such as smuggled goods and jade that double the gold value of the gold coin on the ship. Now, notice it says the lowest gold value. So you want to make sure you filter it through a ship that has all of these crew and treasures on it so that your lowest gold value is a 7 or the silver 6. So if you have your Silver Explorer, a 6 silver coin, +1, +2, and there are 3 doublers, although smuggled goods and spices are one-offs, so it says then remove smuggled goods from the game. Jade, it allows you to double the value, and it doesn't say anything about removing it from the game. So Jade's going to let you do that more than once. Smuggled goods only lets you do it once. But let's say that we had all 3 unique treasures that let you double. It says in the rules that specifically the doublers are applied before any plus values are applied. So what that does mean is that we're going to double the value of this 3 times. So 7 times 2, 14 times 2, 28 times 2, 56. So that means we're going to get 56 out of this 7 plus 3, so 59, all from one treasure. Now, if we look at the Silver Explorer, this is a plus again. So any coin that's with a silver number gets +1 gold. So unfortunately, that means it applies after the doubling. So that means we're going to double the 6, 12. We're going to double it again, 24, and we'll double it one more time, 48, and then add 4, so 52. So this is not worth nearly as much. However, you can use this to your advantage in a game where your opponent doesn't have a Silver Explorer. That makes all of these treasures worth +1. So if you're not using any of these doublers or any other additional ones, you can use that Explorer to try and get a little bit of extra gold over your opponent. However, you can also run into the same problem where you just pick up a naturally better gold piece that's gold. So you weigh that extra 2 points on a specific Explorer to see if you get +1 on your treasure coins versus just having better coins out there and putting that into anything like a Powder Pete is the same point value as putting the Silver Explorer in instead of a regular Explorer. So that's something that you'll have to weigh. And then, of course, this is only an additional point for +2 gold rather than +1. And that's to any of these gold pieces. So for 2 points, +1 to silver coins. For 2 points, +1 to any coin. And for 3 points, +2 to any coin.